always longed for the luscious hair of the fairy tale princesses in my childhood dreams. But 2 decades in, I'm still looking. While my quest for the perfect Rapunzel continues, here are some things that I do know. Overnight hair masks are almost as magical. But before we get to that, this video is sponsored by Good Vibes and we've partnered with them for a glamorous exclusive offer. But more on that later, so keep watching. Trust me when I say this, it's always the ingredients already available in your kitchen that can do wonders for your hair. Curry leaves are easily available and are great for curbing hair loss. Take a bowl of coconut oil and put in 6 to 8 curry leaves. Heat this on low flame till it leaves a blackish residue. Now strain this and add 2 to 3 drops of eucalyptus essential oil, which will help fight dandruff. Do this once a week for best results. If curry doesn't do it for you, this overnight hair mask might just rival Rapunzel's hair care routine. Take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 2 capsules of vitamin E, half a teaspoon of castor oil, and 2 tablespoons of aloe gel. While the coconut oil and castor oil enhance the quality of your hair, promoting growth, the vitamin E and aloe gel work as perfect leave-in conditioners. Since this is a mix of an oil and gel, we recommend using this on slightly damp hair. Do this twice a week for best results. If like us, you too love experimenting with beauty products, you're in for a treat. Good Vibes is an exciting new beauty brand, has great products with amazing natural ingredients, has no baddies like parabens or sulfates, and the best part is that it's super affordable too. We've partnered with them for a series of videos that will help you with all things beauty. And we have a great offer for you as well. Shop these products on purple.com, use the code on the screen and you'll get a free surprise skincare product worth Rs 200 on orders of Rs 749. Up next is a magic elixir that will transform your mane as it's full of hair-strengthening vitamins. In a bowl, add 1/4 cup of witch hazel, 2 tablespoons of aloe gel, 1 tablespoon of glycerin, 1/3 cup jojoba oil, and a tablespoon of argan oil. To this, add 5 drops of peppermint and ginger essential oil each, and a biotin capsule. Witch hazel and aloe gel are great scalp soothing agents, while glycerin, jojoba oil, and argan oil will lock in all the moisture overnight. The essential oils and biotin capsule will work their magic in reversing any hair loss you might be suffering from. Do this once a week for a mane that is strong from the inside out. Cinderella might have had to rush home at the midnight hour, but this mystic mask actually does some of its best work overnight. To make a hair growth potion, take a bowl of pumpkin puree and add 2 tablespoons of honey, which is an excellent moisturizer by itself. As a final touch, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a holy grail that reverses hair damage, especially when you leave it on overnight. Now, because these masks are something you keep on while you sleep, you should keep a hair towel or a shower cap handy to avoid any dripping. Always use just enough because the last thing you want is sleeping with dripping wet hair. Lastly, oil-based masks should be applied on dry hair and the water-based ones on slightly damp hair. Remember to add this extra step the night before you wash your hair to add that extra bounce and shine. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to use our code on purplle.com for a glamorous exclusive offer. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.